Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I decided to visit Juja town, and this is how it is. So I had to climb this, like to cross over the road using this upper side of how do they call this? Kindly drop the comment on the comment section. Let me know, how do they call this? So I decided to visit Juja for the first time. I just wanted to see how Juja is in reality, because I've never been here. Yeah, so and then I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom empty house tour, a very quick 2-bedroom empty house tour. So yeah, this is what I came to do here in Juja. By the way, I don't know if I'm at the right side of Juja town. I really don't know, because I was planning to go to TRM, that is Thika Road Mall, but I don't know. It's because it was my first time on these sides, getting to walk on this side, so I didn't really know which matatus to get so that they would take me to TRM mall. So that's how I found myself here, guys. So I don't know if this is the right place. So guys, it's actually my first time in Juja. Yeah, I had planned to go to Thika, but I don't know, Thika mall, but I don't know. Let me just walk around here, and then I try to see what it's all about. And then later, maybe I can go to Thika Road Mall. Yeah, so this is Juja, and this is how it is. I've never been here. It's actually my first time, and I love it. I love it. I love how the houses look like. Yeah, and I can see there are new houses here. Let me try and see if I can get a hint of a new house, and maybe I'll try to show you how they look like. I can see they're like ongoing construction over here. So let me go and try and see if I can get you houses here in Juja. Yeah, I don't really know where specifically I am in Juja, but what I know is that I am in Juja. Yeah, although I don't know where I am at the moment. But you know what? Getting lost is getting to know the place better. So come with me. I hope you're enjoying. So far so good. Okay, where am I going? I've seen this new house and I want to go and check it out. Yeah, there are to let bedsitters over here. I'll check them later. So this is how it is over here. There's a church. There are people selling charcoal. I've seen a halfway. So welcome to this spacious 2-bedroom apartment. This is an empty tour of a 2-bedroom apartment, and as you can see, the first thing you see when you just enter the door, you will meet a kitchen. It's an open space kitchen, and over there you can see there's a sink for you. And then I love the countertop of this chicken. It's big enough for you to be able to keep your, let's say, your coffee maker, anything like your oven and all that. And also it has sockets. And then when you come to the living room, it's not so big, but it can be able to accommodate a 5-seater together with a TV stand and your TV and any other extra thing that you will need. And then over there, before you go to the first bedroom, there's a sink and a mirror over there, and the water here is 24/7, so you do not have to worry. And as you can see, also the toilet is like a super spacious, not really super spacious, but as you can see, it has all that you need. And then the first bedroom has it's an in-suite bedroom, so you will not be like sharing the public toilet. No, the visitors toilet, you have your own toilet inside your bedroom. That is for the master bedroom. And then this other bedroom, it doesn't have it's not en-suite, but as you can see, it has all that a person needs, like a drawer and all that. So as I told you, it was a really quick house tour. And maybe if you need the more information about this house, kindly look at the description, because I'll be able to put all the information on the description. So from here, I just had to walk around because I was just I had planned to walk around these sides, yeah, although it was a wrong side for me because of the matatu and because I didn't know where I was really going. I knew the place where I was going, but again, things happened because it was my first time here. And what I really didn't like about this place is the dust. My God, I don't know if the whole place is dusty, but this place is super dusty. I managed to take a quick house tour for you because I was in a hurry, and right now I'm back to the road. So that's Icon Hotel. Still walking around to see if I can find a good place. So this is still Juja. That's Icon Hotel over there. And I'm still here, just walking around, getting lost, as it should be. Yeah. So let's go and watch over there. Na huku kuna vumbi aje. See the dust. It is what it is. Stalls as usual, selling just normal things.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I didn't spend too much time on this side in Juja because that is not what I had planned. So just because I found myself in Juja, I had to make use of it by showing you how Juja is. So from here, I just had to ask about where Thika Road Mall is. And the funny thing is that I ended up not going there again because I found myself in Kahawa. That is Kahawa Sukari. So here I was just heading to the bus stage, matatu stage, and then from there I asked about the direction, and they were able to direct me. So I ended up not going to Thika Road Mall but Kahawa Sukari, so which I will be showing you on the next video that will be uploaded. So this was a quick tour in Juja, although I'm not sure if I was really like in Juja town. I don't know. If you think this is not like the right side of Juja, kindly let me know, because the dust here really didn't give it for me. Yeah. So let me know if Juja is like all around dusty, or it was just on this side that I happened to like walk in. Let me know down on the comment section. And also, if you want more information about the house I have just shown you, kindly look at the description and you'll be able to know. Or for more inquiries, kindly text me on my Instagram. I'll be leaving my contacts. You can go to my profile, you will find my Instagram username there, and I'll be able to direct you on where this empty 2-bedroom house is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the like button, comment, share, and subscribe.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,